wasn't planning on making a video of this because it's a fairly simple project today. We're just going to add some caster wheels onto the bottom. This is the cast iron bottom part of my King Cooker 9090 crawfish cooker. It's fairly heavy, so we went to Harbor Freight and I got these 200 pound capacity caster wheels with brakes that I'm going to connect to the bottom of the base of the crawfish cooker. Hey Max, you gonna help us out today? Alright, so this is what I envision. Caster wheels on all four legs. Now from dragging across the floor, these legs are a little bit scuffed up. So I'm going to go ahead and paint them. This one appears to be a little bent, but I don't know how strong the welds are, so I'm not going to attempt to straighten it. It's just going to have to roll how it rolls. Now I'm probably never going to have this turned upside down again, so while I have it upside down, I am going to take the time to spray some of the welds with high temperature Rust-Oleum paint, because I do see some rust starting. Also going to paint these. Don't know how much good that'll do, but this cooker was about $750. So I'm kind of hoping it'll last a couple of seasons. Alright, while we were at Harbor Freight, bought a hardware kit. Alright, the tool I'm going to use to set these, well, first off, I'm going to line them up with the outside corner simply because of the way the leg is made. That way I know I'll be able to thread my screws through. I'm going to use this tool called Vice Grip. It's actually just like that, almost like a vise. And once I get it adjusted right, clamp the caster wheels to the leg. Alright, by using the vice grips to clamp down the caster wheel in place, we can use the caster wheel as a template to drill the holes. Probably should have vacuumed up those metal shavings. Alright, with the first one mocked up, we'll move on to the second one. Line up the caster wheel, clamp it in place. Getting was an assortment of screws. Ends up the assortment's not that good. But it's gonna work. So there we go. Not much of a job or a project, but I had to do it anyway, so I figured I'd go ahead and video it in case you were thinking about putting caster wheels on. Maybe you have a King cooker like this or some other device, maybe a barbecue pit or something. Relatively easy, a few holes, bolt them down, and you're ready to go. You can see now it moves nicely. Then if I'm ready, it has some foot brakes. When I click those, then it stays pretty much in place. Probably need to put all 4 of them. But more importantly is the rolling ability. I now can move my crawfish boiler. The other piece of it's over here on the side that fits in, but I can move it from place to place very easily. Alright, one last look of the cooker in action. On wheels. Alrighty, that's a wrap. So if you thought the video was helpful in any way, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I try to answer as many as I can. Also, don't forget our sponsors. The sponsors are what make videos like this possible. So until next time, have a great day, and I'll see you online.